come make some breakfast with me in the winter's room. And it's like, we got like 2 inches of snow already. Oh yeah, so I just washed my pan because it was dirty and I was already on my stove. So we had to take it off and already clean it. Okay, y'all, so I am making the eggs. I put butter and I put salt and pepper and I cracked the eggs onto the pan. And y'all, don't let my hair is curly because I already went to my grandma's house and the snow outside and it was very cold, but I took out my braid for like all day yesterday because we went to the OU gymnastics meet and guess who won? OU. But no, I like OU gymnastics. We don't like OU. But we thought they already raised the flag, so they like let us people in for free because it was gonna be on Thursday, but they switched it to Friday because of the snow. So they really wanted everybody to go, so we went. But yeah, it was very fun. They didn't drop the flag, and I saw like one of my teachers at the school, from my school there. She's actually in my grade. She's the house room next to us. And my legs like turning out. Very lumpy, I say. I mean, like, it's not that good, but it's whatever. Okay, I finished. So had eggs and orange juice with it, cause yeah, why not? I'm gonna taste it, but I put salt and pepper on it, and I'm scared. I want to see outside. I bet y'all do. It's very snowy outside. There's outside. It's very snowy. And y'all, our puppy, she does not like it, bro. She so yesterday, because it was still snowing and there was a lot of snow, she kept running back inside. I'm like, really? And these are both really good. Alright, that's the end of the video. See you later. Bye.